In an increasingly interconnected world, where globalization and technology have bridged cultural gaps, the significance of prioritizing humanity over religious differences cannot be overstated. While religion has been an integral part of human society for millennia, it is essential to acknowledge the power of shared humanity in fostering unity and compassion. This article explores the importance of transcending religious boundaries to promote empathy, understanding, and collective action towards a more compassionate and inclusive world. The positive influence of religion. Religion, in its essence, can provide solace, hope, and guidance to millions of believers worldwide. It has played a crucial role in shaping cultures, moral values, and the way individuals interact with one another. Through religious teachings, many have found the inspiration to engage in acts of kindness, charity, and service to their communities. The sense of belonging that religion provides has fostered strong bonds among its followers, creating a shared identity and purpose. Divisiveness and conflict. Unfortunately, history is replete with examples of religious divisions and conflicts that have led to suffering, violence, and bloodshed. These tensions often arise from misunderstandings, fear of the unknown, and a tendency to emphasize differences rather than commonalities. When people prioritize religious identity over shared humanity, it can lead to an us versus them mentality, pitting one group against another. Emphasizing common humanity. In a world facing complex challenges such as poverty, environmental degradation, and social inequality, it is crucial to emphasize our shared humanity. Regardless of religious beliefs, race, or nationality, we all experience joy, pain, love, and loss. By recognizing and valuing our common experiences, we can build bridges of understanding and empathy, fostering a sense of global community. Addressing global issues together. Some of the most pressing issues facing humanity today, such as climate change and refugee crises, require collaborative efforts that transcend religious and national boundaries. By shifting the focus from religious differences to collective action, we can mobilize diverse groups towards finding viable solutions to these challenges. When humanity unites in a common cause, the potential for positive change becomes boundless. Building bridges and empathy. Promoting empathy and understanding between people of different religious backgrounds requires a commitment to open dialogue and respectful communication. Encouraging interfaith initiatives, where individuals come together to learn about one another's beliefs and practices, can lead to greater appreciation and acceptance. By fostering friendships and partnerships based on shared values, we can create a more harmonious and compassionate society. Conclusion. While religion undoubtedly holds profound significance for millions of people around the world, it is essential to remember that humanity is the common thread that binds us all. By emphasizing our shared experiences, values, and aspirations, we can transcend religious differences and foster unity and compassion. Embracing our common humanity allows us to address global challenges together, creating a more inclusive and peaceful world for current and future generations. As we navigate the complexities of our modern society, let us strive to build bridges of understanding and empathy, recognizing that our shared humanity is the foundation for a brighter future.